Create YouTube videos to make money. YouTube stars are today's self-made celebrities, people who have earned an audience by creating video content geared toward teaching, entertaining, reviewing, and being awesome on the web. Most of these small-screen celebs do what they do just to do it, to scratch an itch for creating things and being in front of an audience. Learning how to get paid on YouTube might not be your reason for starting your own channel, but the opportunities to earn are a pleasant surprise once you realize how many of them there are. In this guide, you'll get strategies for how to get paid on YouTube, get the answer to how much money can you make on YouTube, and find out how do people make money on YouTube. Do you get paid for uploading videos on YouTube? Content creators aren't paid by YouTube for the videos they upload. Neither are videos monetized by default. If you want to take advantage of how to get paid on YouTube, you have to enable monetization in your YouTube account settings. From there, you have options to join the YouTube Partner Program or have your videos listed on YouTube Premium. How do you make money from YouTube? First, figure out how to start a YouTube channel and make money. You can monetize YouTube channels even without millions of subscribers. Your earning potential isn't determined solely by the number of subscribers and views you have, but also by the level of engagement you generate, the niche you cater to, and the revenue channels you explore. Understanding your audience on YouTube. If you want to know how to make money off YouTube, you need to know who you're earning from. Building your own audience puts you in a great position to monetize content in a variety of ways. But you'll only be able to take full advantage of the opportunities you have if you understand the makeup of your audience. For many video creators pursuing how to get paid on YouTube, the more niche your channel, the better position you'll be in to work with brands looking to target specific audiences. How many subscribers do you need to make money on YouTube? If you want to start making money from your YouTube videos, you'll need 1,000 subscribers. You don't get paid per subscriber, but the more subscribers you have, the more potential you have to generate revenue. For example, if you want to become an influencer and work with brands for affiliate marketing, you'll be paid more and get more opportunities if you have a high number of subscribers. How many views do you need to make money on YouTube? As well as 1,000 subscribers, you'll need people to have watched 4,000 hours of your content in the last 12 months to start earning. The more views you have, the higher your chances of making money. However, you'll only get revenue if someone clicks or watches the ad on your video in full. According to Forbes, YouTubers can make an estimated $5 per 1,000 views, meaning a video with 75,000 views would be worth around $375. What is the YouTube Partner Program? Once you've reached 1,000 subscribers with more than 4,000 hours of your content watched in the last 12 months, you can sign up for the YouTube Partner Program, which allows you to include adverts in your videos. Advertisers pay for clicks and impressions, and you'll receive around 55% of the revenue your content generates. You can set up ads from the monetization feature in the YouTube Studio. From here, you can turn on ads for single or multiple videos. Your content will need to meet YouTube's advertiser-friendly content guidelines, and adverts will only start appearing on your videos once they have passed an automated or human review to make sure they meet YouTube guidelines. From the dashboard, you can then look at your monthly estimated revenue to see how much you could start earning. What is AdSense? Once you're signed up for the Partner Program, setting up an AdSense account is the easiest way to get paid by YouTube. It's important to note that YouTube will only pay you once you've earned $100 or more from ads on your videos. What is YouTube Premium? Once you've started earning money from ads, you can also sign up for YouTube Premium. This feature allows your subscribers to pay to watch your content without ads. You'll get paid by how much premium subscribers are watching your videos. YouTube Premium is a second revenue stream, as you can earn money from paying subscribers while still earning ad revenue from non-members watching your content. What are the YouTube community guidelines? When you want to monetize your YouTube channel, you'll need to follow YouTube's Partner Program policy and its community guidelines. The community guidelines are designed to protect users of the site from things like fake engagement, spam, and scams. There are also guidelines on sensitive content such as child safety, and violent and dangerous content such as cyberbullying and hate speech. The guidelines apply to all videos, as well as comments, links, and thumbnails. Can you make money from YouTube in other ways than ads? For most YouTubers, including adverts in videos is the first step in making money from the platform. However, there is a range of other things you can do which are outlined below. Merchandise, selling branded items such as t-shirts or tote bags is a good way to make extra money. YouTube even has its own merchandise shelf which you can incorporate into videos. Fan funding, once you've built an audience, sites like Patreon, Tipeee, and Buy Me a Coffee allow you to receive one-off and recurring donations from fans in exchange for exclusive content. Become an influencer. Affiliate marketing, promoting other brands' products, can help you to increase your revenue through sponsored posts and discounts codes. Remember to disclose any partnerships and make sure you're not breaking any government rules on advertising. License to media, if you post a video that goes viral, news publications or brands can pay you to use the content. Channel memberships, members of YouTube's partner program can charge fans to be members of their channel in exchange for extra content. Chat payments, live streamers can use YouTube's super chat function to receive donations from fans in exchange for shoutouts. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you have not already, click that notifications bell for future video updates. Also, if you have enjoyed this video or learned something new, then click the like button. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Here is some bonus information for you. The future is now. This product is a brand new guide for people looking to succeed on YouTube without having to make any videos. It's 100% written by an AI and the author has over 10 years of experience in this field. What could be better? Finally, you can be successful without any work at all. Click the link in the description to find out more.